Take out a battery on a 2012 Hyundai Elantra. You're going to need a 10mm socket and a 12mm with an extension. I'm going to loosen these two. And this one. Take this little sleeve off. And then you gotta take out this is the 12mm. Battery's out. Put the new battery in. Try to get that hook right there. Okay, got the clip in. Got the clip there. Put it in place. Tighten this down. I gotta get this little sleeve back on there. It's kind of a pain, especially one-handed. Okay, sleeve is on. Line up the hole with the terminal. Make sure it's all the way down. Tightened. Okay, tighten that down. Okay, new battery.